Hello, my name is Dr. Prakash and I am from 32 Watts Clear Aligners. Today I am here to resolve one issue which is coming up to us as a complaint that there is a fitting issue of aligners. So today I will show you how to resolve the fitting issue in clinic only, by chair side only. So here, as you can see, there are two cases. One case is of crowding. As you can see, there is a crowding in anterior teeth and there are multiple attachments on it. So ज़्यादातर केसों में आता है कि पेशेंट के जो दांतों पे अटैचमेंट होता है उसकी वजह से वो अलाइनर ठीक से नहीं पहन पाते हैं. सो आई हैव टेकन दिस केस एज एन क्राउडिंग केस in which there is anterior crowding, and there is, in this case, as you can see, there are attachments on the teeth, but it's a case of spacing. So we have taken two cases, and in both the cases I'll show you there are two different path of insertion. So let's take this case. This is the space. As you can see, the arch is very much wide, and you can see that there is a space in anterior teeth. तो ये जो आपका अलाइनर है, अगर पेशेंट इसे पैरेलली पहनता है, यू कैन सी, पेशेंट अगर इसे पोस्टीरियरली पहनेगा तो पेशेंट बोलेगा कि आपका पीछे से तो आपका अलाइनर फिट है लेकिन आगे से ये अलाइनर फिट नहीं हो पा रहा है. अगर ये पोस्टीरियरली पहले फिट करता है अलाइनर, इसको यू कैन सी, पोस्टीरियर प्लेस करने के बाद आगे का अलाइनर इसे फिट नहीं होगा. सो इसमें क्या करना है ऐसे केस में, आस्क द पेशेंट टू वेयर इट फर्स्ट फ्रॉम एंटीरियर एंड देन पुश इट इन पोस्टीरियर. जैसे देखा आपने यहाँ पर, मैंने पहले पेशेंट को, मान लीजिए पेशेंट का माउथ है तो पेशेंट ने पहले एंटीरियरली पहना, उसको प्रेस किया एंड देन पोस्टीरियरली प्रेस करके इसको प्रेस किया. एंड आस्क द पेशेंट एवरी टाइम whenever he uses a new aligner, ask him to use Chivi, which we have given in the kit box. So you can see, इस वाले केस में अलाइनर उसने पहले एंटीरियर में पहना है, फिर बाद में पोस्टीरियर में पहना है. सो नाउ डिस्कस द सेकंड केस. एज यू कैन सी, दिस इज द केस ऑफ crowding where multiple attachments are there. So in this case, as you can see, the arch is wider from the posterior end. So इसमें क्या होगा, इस केस में ask the patient to fit the aligner from posterior first and then in the anterior. You can see because of attachments it is not getting fit. Patient से नहीं होता कि वो एक साथ दोनों को पहने. तो ask the patient to place it properly in the posterior first, press it and then allow the aligners to fit 50% to their teeth and then apply force parallelly like this. As you can see, 50% of aligner is fitted but not properly. अब पेशेंट को बोलना है कि use the Chivi and place it and Chivi from the both side. Make pressure from the both side. First from this side like this and other from this side. You can see it is not fit like this. Once he had made this pressure applied on this, ask the patient to wear it and apply pressure simultaneously. So as you can see, I have applied a pressure and it's now fit from the both side. So as you have seen, in both the cases the path of insertion is different. From anterior, in a spacing case it have to wear from anterior, and in crowding cases पहले posterior से या parallelly पहनना होता है. So there are different path of insertion. So go through your case and let me know if you face any difficulty. Thank you.